Hello friends, myself Kunj from Standard Age, present here to say some lines on punctuality and time and its importance in our life. Life is an ongoing cycle which never stops. Don't wait for tomorrow because tomorrow will never wait for us. What is told to be done must be done on time. The thing which is gone will never come back. We should never land it on tomorrow, as tomorrow never comes. Thank you.